Hello, this is Gary Oates from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm putting together a number of video tutorials on how to use the Tailor Brands Advanced Website Builder. This tutorial is going to focus on a divider. A divider is effectively a line drawn on your website. You add the divider line by going over to Widgets. Widgets, you can either type in divider or you can go down to Basics and there's a divider there and you just drag it in. And I'm going to add a dividing line between these two rows. First of all, we can change the layout. You have a number of options here. We might want something fancy. Looks pretty cool, or that one. So I'm going to go with the line, as there's more options to look at here. You can have it either the full width, as it is at the moment, or you can change it. So that's full width, or you can change the width. And I'm going to have it smaller. I can change the thickness. I can change the color. I could add some animation. Not sure why I'll add animation to a dividing line, but you can. Two triggers, you have entrance and scroll. I generally use entrance, which means that once you appear at this part of the page, it will actually trigger the animation. And I might want it to rotate in. You can change the duration, delay and intensity, and you can preview the animation. And you can add some spacing. There's one other part to this. You may notice it's not very central. Once in the design, if I go to this little wheel up here, I can now select the alignment and I can now select center. I can make it go to the right or to the left. Let's stick with center. And that's it for a divider. You can add these dividing lines and the text between images, any parts of your website.